BMW Icon. The future of luxury eco-friendly boating. The BMW Icon is a stunning example of eco-friendly luxury in the world of boating. This super boat was developed in collaboration with a startup, Tide, to showcase advanced technology. Measuring 13.5 meters long, the BMW Icon features a hydrofoil design, which increases efficiency by up to 80% compared to traditional hulls. Powered by two 100 kilowatts electric motors and 6 BMW Y3 batteries, it can travel up to 50 nautical miles at a top speed of 30 knots. Inside, the boat offers a modern, high-tech experience. It includes a voice-activated system and a 32-inch 6K resolution touchscreen digital control panel, inspired by BMW's iDrive system. The cabin is designed for comfort, with unique origami-style furnishings, high headroom, and two separate seating areas. At night, LED lights outline the sleek, two-tone exterior of the boat, inspired by the sea. The BMW Icon is the perfect blend of elegance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. It's the ideal choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury boating. Caterham 170R, the ultimate lightweight sports car. The Caterham 170R is a high-performance sports car built for thrill seekers. Weighing just 440 kilograms, it's one of the lightest cars in the world, offering exceptional agility on both the road and the track. Powered by a 660cc turbocharged engine, it delivers a perfect balance of speed and sharp handling. The 170R's minimalist design is focused on providing a pure driving experience. The stripped-down interior and manual transmission create a raw, intimate connection between the driver and the machine. Its sport-tuned suspension enhances performance, making cornering precise and responsive. Priced at around £25,000, the Caterham 170R is the ideal choice for driving enthusiasts who crave an exhilarating, no-frills ride. Every journey in this car is an experience, offering unmatched excitement behind the wheel. Gyroo Classic. Take flight with versatile performance. The Gyroo Classic is an ultralight aircraft designed for both thrilling recreational flying and practical use. It's powered by a choice of two engines, the Rotax 912 ULS or the 914. This setup allows for a maximum takeoff weight ranging from 450 to 560 kilograms, making it highly adaptable. With an impressive endurance of up to 4.5 hours, the Gyroo Classic is well suited for longer trips. Its climb rate reaches 945 feet per minute, and it offers a range of up to 330 miles, giving you plenty of freedom to explore the skies. The lightweight frame, weighing only 265 kilograms, pairs with an 8.8-meter rotor length to deliver smooth and controlled handling. Takeoff requires just 70 to 110 meters of runway, and once airborne, this aircraft can reach speeds up to 195 kilometers per hour. This agility, paired with its efficiency, makes the Gyroo Classic an ideal choice for ultralight aviation enthusiasts. Whether you're flying for the thrill of it or covering long distances, the Gyroo Classic combines performance and enjoyment. With this aircraft, the sky truly is the limit. Skyway technology. Skyway is a revolutionary transportation solution designed with impressive advantages. Its unique vehicles glide above the ground on specially designed rail string overpasses, creating an efficient and futuristic travel experience. This elevated design isn't just about looks, it optimizes aerodynamics and increases speed, while offering an impressive level of safety. By using space efficiently, Skyway promotes the smart use of land and resources, making it an ideal option for both urban and rural areas. One of Skyway's biggest strengths is its minimal environmental impact. It provides a sustainable choice for both cargo and passenger transport, aligning with a growing need for eco-friendly solutions. With full-scale prototypes of tracks and rolling stock already successfully implemented, Skyway has proven the practicality and efficiency of its technology. This multi-level solution has the potential to transform the transportation sector, making travel easier, safer, and more comfortable for everyone. Rid-Roid Kanguro. Introducing the Rid-Roid Kanguro, a marvel of modern robotics and AI technology. This intelligent robot can transform and be ridden, much like a mechanical horse. Developed by the Future Robotics Technology Center at Chiba Institute of Technology and designer Shanji Amanaka, the Kanguro is designed to be a partner robot that never leaves its master's side. When it's time to travel, Kanguro automatically transforms into ride mode. In this mode, it supports its master as an integral part of their body. As the rider leans to the right or left, Kanguro actively adjusts its body, making turning effortless. It's like having a personal vehicle that moves in harmony with you. This innovative machine is a testament to the fusion of cutting-edge robotics and AI technology. It paves the way for a new relationship between people and their vehicles, offering a unique blend of companionship and mobility. HolaBot, the innovative delivery robot. The HolaBot is an innovative delivery robot designed to boost productivity and efficiency in various environments like restaurants, offices, and hospitals. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, the HolaBot can carry up to 60 kilograms of items. It's capable of detecting and avoiding obstacles, ensuring smooth travel in busy settings. Plus, it can handle multiple requests at the same time, making it incredibly efficient. The robot features an easy-to-use interface, which can be controlled via a pager or head sensor. This allows for seamless operation and control by the user. By automating repetitive tasks, the HolaBot helps improve workflow. It frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, making it a valuable asset in any workplace. Retimer 3. Revolutionary wearable for better sleep and energy. Introducing the Retimer 3, a wearable device designed to improve your sleep and manage your circadian rhythm. This device uses a specific blue-green light to help naturally adjust your body's melatonin levels, keeping you awake and alert during the day and preparing you for better sleep at night. With over 25 years of research behind it, the Retimer 3 is a safe and effective way to take control of your sleep cycle. It's lightweight, comfortable, and designed with soft silicone nose parts for a secure fit. Plus, its modern, stylish look makes it easy to wear daily. The Retimer 3 also comes with a companion app. This app tracks your daily habits and provides personalized recommendations to help you optimize your health. It connects seamlessly with other fitness and health apps, giving you a comprehensive view of your well-being. Whether you're dealing with jet lag, adjusting to shift work, or simply aiming for better sleep patterns, the Retimer 3 offers a perfect solution to help you feel more energized and balanced. Solar Powered Plane. Imagine a world where planes soar through the skies, powered entirely by the sun. The Solar Impulse 2 is an experimental aircraft that has already shown this possibility. It completed a historic journey around the world without using a drop of fuel. This solar-powered marvel is equipped with over 177,000 photovoltaic cells. These cells harness sunlight to generate electricity, allowing the plane to fly day and night. While commercial solar planes are still a dream, the advancements in solar technology seen in Solar Impulse 2 are paving the way for a greener future in aviation. This innovative approach offers a glimpse into sustainable air travel. As we look ahead, the Solar Impulse 2 stands as a testament to what is possible. It encourages us to rethink how we power our planes and protect our planet. Solar Powered Electric Tricycle. Sustainable travel with sunlight. Imagine a tricycle powered entirely by sunlight. The solar-powered electric tricycle combines solar and electric power to create a sustainable, eco-friendly ride. Here's how it works. Solar panels on the tricycle's roof capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. This energy is stored in a battery that powers the electric motor, allowing for smooth, short trips without needing an external power source. Some models even come with a backup battery that can be charged from a regular outlet, so you're never stranded on a cloudy day. These tricycles are perfect for short commutes or casual rides, especially in sunny areas where solar energy is abundant. While the initial cost may be higher than traditional tricycles, the long-term savings on fuel and the positive environmental impact make it a smart investment. It's a simple, green solution that lets you travel comfortably while helping the planet. Ivex. The Ivex is an intelligent electric vehicle that is revolutionizing urban mobility. With its futuristic robotic body platform, this vehicle can adjust its size to meet your needs. It can accommodate 1 or 2 passengers, yet it's only 78 centimeters wide. about 6 to 7 times smaller than a standard car. This ultra-compact design allows the Ivex to easily navigate through congested urban streets and take up far less parking space than a regular car. Built with a strong carbon steel chassis and an aluminum body, safety is a top priority. It includes standard seat belts and large doors, ensuring easy access for passengers. Controlling the vehicle is easy too. You can operate it through a mobile app or the intuitive dashboard, making it extremely user-friendly. One of its unique features is the power side mirror that closes completely when not in use, enhancing the car's aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the spacious interior even provides roof access while in drive mode. The Ivex offers versatility, safety, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for modern commuting. Urmo Board, the ultimate personal transport. Meet the Urmo Board, a revolutionary personal transport device priced at $3,000. With a weight of just 12 kilograms, this board is lightweight and easy to carry wherever you go. Learning to ride the Urmo Board is straightforward. Most people can master it in under an hour, thanks to its intuitive pressure pad and built-in gyroscope that help you balance effortlessly. This board has a top speed of 18 km per hour and a range of 20 km, making it perfect for navigating busy streets and crowded areas. Its powerful 500W motor can handle inclines up to 15%, which makes it ideal for hilly terrain as well. Safety is a key feature. The Urmo Board comes equipped with LED lights, helping you stay visible and safe during your rides. With its sleek and efficient design, this personal transporter offers not only a quick way to get around but also an exciting riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring your neighborhood, the Urmo Board combines convenience and thrill in a compact package. Velotric Nomad 1, a reliable and exciting electric bike. The Velotric Nomad 1 is an electric bike built for dependability and excitement. Priced at just $1,099, it's designed to handle any weather and take you wherever you want to go. This bike is ideal for a wide range of riders. It features an adjustable front suspension, offering a smooth ride on various terrains. You can choose between a step or high-step frame, making it versatile for different preferences. Equipped with a powerful 750W motor, the Velotric Nomad 1 provides plenty of torque for tackling hills and rough paths. With a range of up to 55 miles, it's perfect for longer rides. Williams Evojet 70E, the ultimate luxury yacht tender. The Williams Evojet 70E is the ultimate in luxury yacht tenders, combining elegance with high performance. Every detail is meticulously crafted to create an exceptional experience on the water. Its spacious interior and wide hull design ensure a smooth, stable ride, perfect for any adventure. Powered by a robust Yamaha 4LV diesel engine with 250 horsepower, the Evojet 70E reaches an impressive top speed of 40 miles per hour. At 7.1 meters in length, it comfortably seats up to 13 passengers, making it ideal for larger yachts and perfect for bringing along family and friends. This tender is also packed with smart features, including automatic fire extinguishers for safety, Raymarine Axiom navigation for easy steering, and Flexideep decking for added comfort and style. The Evojet 70E is more than just a tender, it's a luxury experience on every voyage. Yamaha Waverunner FX Cruiser, ultimate performance on the water. The Yamaha Waverunner FX Cruiser is a standout in personal watercraft, combining powerful performance with luxury features. At its core is a supercharged 1.8L Yamaha marine engine, delivering thrilling speed and strong torque for an unforgettable ride on the water. With Yamaha's advanced 360 degrees Connect infotainment system, this watercraft enhances your experience. You'll enjoy seamless audio controls, smartphone connectivity, and GPS mapping, all at your fingertips. The marine-grade audio speakers are built to withstand water conditions, delivering high-quality sound throughout your ride. Handling the FX Cruiser is smooth and simple. Yamaha's ride throttle control system lets you effortlessly switch between forward, neutral, and reverse, giving you full control. With an 18.5-gallon fuel capacity, it's efficient for longer rides and comfortably seats up to 3 passengers. Weighing 875 pounds, it's stable without compromising performance. The design adds a touch of luxury with custom two-tone deck mats and a premium tow hook, blending style and function for the ultimate experience on the water. Super Truck. Introducing the Super Truck, a groundbreaking concept vehicle that's pushing the limits of innovation in the trucking industry. Created by leading manufacturers, these vehicles are designed to transform freight transportation by boosting efficiency, cutting emissions, and maximizing performance. Super trucks are equipped with advanced features. They use cutting-edge aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and ultra-efficient powertrains, including hybrid and electric options. One notable example is the U.S. Department of Energy's Super Truck program, which works with industry giants like Freightliner, Volvo, and Peterbilt. These trucks achieve remarkable fuel efficiency, often reaching over 10 miles per gallon, a significant improvement over traditional diesel trucks. Key aerodynamic features, such as streamlined shapes, active grille shutters, and other enhancements, help minimize drag and conserve fuel. Super trucks represent a major step forward in sustainable freight, setting a new standard for the trucking industry's future.